is set your oven to broil setting. You're going to take a baking sheet and you're going to put non-stick foil, or you can do parchment paper, but I like non-stick foil better. You're going to go ahead and grab your bag of green beans. If you're using fresh green beans, you're going to have to snip the ends, but if you're using some that are already washed and snipped, you can go ahead and just dump them onto your baking sheet. So even though your green beans should be snipped and ready to go, I always find a few of these little things with the ends still on, so I just pop them off. So to start off, go ahead and spread your green beans, and you're going to add a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. After that, you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and you're going to do a teaspoon of sea salt. You can use kosher salt, but I like sea salt for vegetables. Really gives them a nice crunch and taste. Add a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you want, but I personally love using olive oil when I cook, and so it's usually the oil I use for everything. Okay, so here comes the fun part. You're going to scrunch up your green beans in that mixture and make sure that all the green beans are coated. Make sure you spread out your green beans so that they can all get hit with the broiler and they're ready to go. Go ahead and pop your green beans on the top of your oven. This is to ensure that it gets that broiled, charred taste and look. You're going to go ahead and set your oven for 10 minutes. Go ahead and grab your green beans out of the oven. If they're not broiled enough to you, I usually shake them around and see. And if I want them to be a little bit more charred, I'll add them for an additional 5 minutes. But these look really good to me, so I'm just gonna take them out. And voila, broiled green beans. So here's the part where you taste your green beans and see if they're up to your liking. If there's not enough salt, you can always add another half teaspoon. I usually just go little by little and see. I was perfectly happy with the way these came out, so I did not add any additional salt. Also, your girl has high blood pressure, so we need to keep that salt content down. Transfer your green beans to a plate if you're going to go ahead and eat them, or wait until they cool down, which veggies normally don't take too long to cool down, and put them in a nice airtight container that you can store in the fridge for later. For any of you that would like to eat this cold, you can totally do that. I personally like to eat my veggies cold after I've done cooking them, so I would totally suggest trying them cold. I hope if you guys try this recipe, you absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you do try it, how you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope that I will catch you on the next one. See you later, and happy cooking!